What's up people, welcome to another video. In this video I'll be talking about another passive income app. This one's called TraffMonetizer. So first of all guys, a little warning. So this is the slowest earning passive income app that I have installed this like somewhere last year, and just now I have made it to the withdrawal amount. So yeah, you should know that. But if you like the idea of earning money passively, then you should definitely check out all the other apps that I have shown on my channel. Specifically, the first one, the highest earning one, is Honeygain, and then Peer-to-Profit, EarnApp, ProxyRack, 𝚘ᴜ, and here we have TraffMonetizer. So I made a video for all of these. I will also leave a link in the description below, so you can join if you want to. And let's get started. So TraffMonetizer, as I said, this is the slowest earning one, okay? So if you guys don't know what these passive income apps are, let's go through this. So basically you share your internet connection and you make money online. You just need to install the app and start making money from each byte of your internet connection. Why do they pay us for our traffic? Hundreds of marketing and advertising agencies need to visit customer websites from different regions to make sure their ads are displaying properly and to check the results of their efforts. These companies pay us for data collected across different regions, while we pay you for using your internet traffic to collect this data. It's a simple win-win-win. How does it work? Your internet service provider offers unlimited traffic bundles for a fixed monthly fee. However, there is a catch. Most of the time you don't use your traffic and your connection is idle. So yeah, they also give this information, and this is really true for most of the people all around the world. This is why I'm saying that you should install all of these passive income apps, because most of the people only use like 10% of their internet bandwidth. And you know, with these apps that you can at least pay your internet bill or anything else, you know. So yeah, basically earning money with TraffMonetizer is really easy. You just sign up. You can do that by using the link in the description below. You get this kind of an access token, and then you need to write that token in the app here. But it's really easy. I will show you everything soon. Also, you can install TraffMonetizer on your mobile phones too, so that is really nice. But as I said, it doesn't earn so much, so I personally have it installed only on just one mobile phone, and that's it. But you can install it on your Windows, your Android devices, Mac OS, and Docker Hub. So here are some of the actual use cases, so how these companies use our internet. So you can read this here. I'm not gonna be reading this word by word, but yeah, you can see here that it can be used to lift location-based restrictions. Search engine bots use scraping to rank websites on result pages. Website availability testing. Ad verification. Brand protection, and price comparison. I know that this is one of the most popular use cases for all the other passive income apps also. So yeah guys, as I said, you know, all of the people around the world use only like 10%, and that's even a big number in my opinion, of their internet bandwidth. So you know, this is a really good way to at least, you know, pay off that internet. And the most important thing is that this app is completely safe and secure, okay? It doesn't cause any security issues. They are working on a KYC model, so all of their companies are verified. It means that every single website accessed through your device passed all the necessary compliance and security checks. Our app will not be sending your traffic to unsafe websites. Rest assured, your traffic is safe with us. So this is some of the ways to maximize your profits. So your earnings will mostly depend about your location and the demand for traffic in your location. So you can also maximize your profits by adding more devices on the network. So as you have seen, you can install it on Android, Windows, Mac OS, Docker Hub. And you can definitely make a lot of money if you have different IP addresses, okay? So on all of these devices, if you install them on all the different IP addresses, you will earn a lot more. And of course, the more you stay online, the more you will earn. So here are some of the FAQ questions. So how to start earning? You just sign up here. You can do that by using the link in the description below. You install TraffMonetizer on all your devices, and then you just copy this access token from the dashboard and into the applications that you can install, okay? But I'm going to be talking about all of this soon. So let's log in on the app now. So this is the dashboard of the application. This is the token that I was talking about, okay? So you just copy this token, and after you install TraffMonetizer, you just put this token in the settings, okay? It's very easy. It's the same thing like for ProxyRack, okay? ProxyRack has the same thing. You need to copy this code from their dashboard and then paste it onto the application. So guys, honestly, like not much else to say here. Let's make a payout, okay? So the $10 is the minimum withdrawal amount. So one thing that I saw earlier before making this video, they said that in the FAQ that there's a PayPal payment option, but honestly I can't see it here. So maybe this differs from country to country, but these are my payout options, okay? So they have the Payoneer payout option. You can withdraw this as Bitcoin. You can get paid via WebMoney, Skrill, Payeer. And finally you can withdraw it as USDT on the Tron network, and I'm gonna do that. So I'm gonna withdraw it to my Binance account. Yeah, because I don't know if there's any kind of withdrawal fees or something on Bitcoin. I suppose there are some, so I don't want to go through this. I just want to withdraw it as dollars USDT. I think that's the easiest way for me, but you can withdraw it wherever you want. So yeah, I will take you through this now. So let's go to my Binance. Let's go to the Binance spaceship, and yeah, I don't have a lot of assets on Binance, just somewhere around $20 worth of BNB. So I will now deposit. I'm gonna get the Tether deposit address. So it's on the Tron network, okay? Remember that. So yeah, here's my address. I'm gonna copy this. Okay. And I'm gonna put it here. So this is my TRC20 USDT wallet ID. Save. If you created a request to change the payment, please check your email to confirm the changes. Okay, I'm gonna just do this very fast. Okay, so I have added this payment option. And now I believe I just have to withdraw. So let's request this. I'm gonna withdraw this as USDT. How much do you want to withdraw? Yeah. Payout requested. You will receive the payment once your request is approved. Okay guys, so I will show you now the payment proof once it arrives in the next clip. Thank you. Hello people. So I have received the payment after 8 days. It has arrived 9.32 USDT. So there has been some kind of 70 cents fee. But anyways, it is legit. The money did arrive. So the withdrawal time is a little bit longer, 8 days, and you should also remember that this is the slowest earning app, passive income app out of all the apps that I have shown you. But still, you should try it out for yourself. Check it out. If you are happy with the earnings, you should definitely combine it with all the other apps that I have shown you: Honeygain, Peer2Profit, PulseApp, ProxyRack, and EarnApp. So yeah, guys, TraffMonetizer is a legit app. So this is their address. So as you can see, they have lots of assets. So no worries, guys. Once again, I recommend this app to all of you. I don't know why it says processing, but it finished. It arrived today, so yeah. And once again, you can install TraffMonetizer by using the link in the description below. I will also be leaving a link for all of the other passive income apps, so you can check that out. And thanks a lot for watching, guys, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.